Hi, I am Dr. Vipin Aggarwal. I am a maxillofacial surgeon and I am practicing in Oriface Dental, and we have a center by the name of Oriface Dental and Oriface Diagnostics and Lab in Tughlakabad Extension. This is in South Delhi, Kalkash. It's been now 9 months that I have been using CBCT. So it is the only machine that I have as of now. This is my first CBCT and that is the Osstem only. Osstem CBCT actually, I have been associated with Osstem from a very long period of time. So I know the quality and the service that they provide with their implants. So because of that, I trusted their CBCT also and other machineries, so that we can go ahead with the same service and quality, that assurance that they give. That's why. We are using Osstem T2. Actually, I was looking for the quality, first of all, the quality of the image and the sensors that they are providing as of now. The Virion sensor that we have here in T2, because of that sensor we have chosen Osstem, which is not provided by most of the companies all over. And the service that we have already been getting through Osstem implant systems, we hope that we will get the same service assurance through Osstem CBCT also. Image quality, the demo that we got initially, the image quality was very good, and after seeing that image quality only, we have confirmed that the quality that we are going to get through CBCT or in the 2D panoramic imaging is going to be fantastic. So it's been good as of now. So I have seen a lot of CBCTs earlier also, in which we have seen that there are many sensors that we are coming in. This Osstem CBCT is offering us a T2 version, in which we have Virion sensor, and it has multiple FOVs ranging from 5x5 till 15x15. So it covers most of the maxillofacial region. CBCT as of overall, we have seen that it has many benefits, because it is a three-dimensional imaging. So in implants we need three-dimensional view of the bone, and in maxillofacial pathologies we need to see where the extensions of the pathologies, whether it is extending anterior, posterior or mesiodistal. So it's been very useful. Yes, I've been very confident in doing the cases and with the pre-op CBCT in my view, because it gives me a whole lot of view from all the sides, whether I have to get in maxillofacial pathologies, what as surgeon we need clearance from all sides of the bone. So in these cases we need clearance from anterior-posterior plus superior, inferior and mesiodistally. So all three dimensions we can see through CBCT. So it works very fantastically. And in the implants also, it gives me the width and the length of the bone that I am going to operate. So it gives me an overall view of the bone. Implant planning, I would say that it has become very easy. Now we have incorporated the guide system also. So through CBCT we are making guides also, and in the challenging cases wherein we have a compromised bone also, in these cases we are going in very confidently and putting the implants. So it has been very useful. Yes. Patients in India, we have a lot of a lot of bunch of patients that do not know where the thing is actually inside the mouth, because the mouth cannot be seen easily. So CBCT is providing us a 3D imaging also here, wherein we are getting a overall view of the bone. Once we get this overall view of the bone, we can talk directly to the patient, and the patient, once the patient sees that the pathology or the system where we are going to operate, the area is a huge one. Not only the clinical thing, but behind the clinical thing we have a huge radiographic lesion which can be directly explained to the patient, and patient understands it very nicely. It's been 9 months now that we have received all the service related. Actually, there have been no problems as of now, but we have got very good support from Mr. Varun Kheda, who has been behind all these things, and the software is also very easy to operate. So we didn't have any glitches as of now, but we hope for the good service in future also. Actually, it has all the views. See, in the simple cases, what we can go in for, if we are going for a 5x5 FOV, in simple cases we can shoot that and see the single tooth, where we want to go for endodontic therapy or something like that. And in complex cases, like if I am going for a zygomatic implant cases or my pterygoid cases, so in those cases we need a wider view of the maxilla. So in those cases we are going in for the 15x15 view, wherein I can easily go in for the placement also. For orthodontic surgeries also we are using CEF. So in CEF we are planning for the movements of the jaws completely, and orthodontic surgeries have also been playing a good part in the all the overall phases. Yes, I would, and I have also, because at the cost that we are getting, at that price point in the market, I would say that Osstem is giving us a very good machine, plus the brand name itself behind it, the Osstem. Osstem, we have known it for a very long period of time now, so we know that the machine that is going to cater to the reputation of your company itself. So we know that it's a good thing. It's a fantastic machine with multiple FOVs. Introducing a CBCT will always uplift the practice. It not only educates you, it educates patients also, plus it can provide you with a very good treatment options also that you can give to your patients and avoid complications at the minimum. Osstem community is doing very well. The implant system itself, it is a world-known system. With the machinery and CBCT that we have been using, it is very good, and the handheld X-ray that we have incorporated of Osstem, that is also working very fantastically. So overall, the community is doing very well, and we hope that it will continue to do so. All the very best for the future.